You ever notice how every time someone says flat Earth doesn't support physics, they never actually define what physics is? Like, whose version are we talking about? The one NASA wrote in the 1950s, or the one that existed before space agencies even existed? Because last I checked, physics is just the study of how our world works, not a rulebook stamped by people in lab coats. But the moment you question the globe model, suddenly the laws of physics get used like a shield. They'll say, gravity proves the Earth's round. But wait, gravity is a theory, not a law. And that's where things get interesting, because the flat Earth model doesn't break physics. It simply challenges the version of physics that depends on space being infinite and the ground beneath us spinning endlessly. Flat Earth physics says we live on a stable, motionless plane, where density and buoyancy explain why things fall, not invisible forces pulling billions of tons of ocean water upward while birds somehow fly straight. The atmosphere is layered, not wrapped around a spinning ball. Light bends naturally, explaining sunsets without pretending we're upside down. The sun and moon move in circular paths above, creating day and night based on perspective, not planetary rotation. Ever dropped a feather and a hammer? In air, they fall differently because of density. But remove the air, and they fall the same. Not because of gravity, but because nothing resists their motion. Same logic works on Earth. And when pilots fly long distances, they don't constantly dip their noses down to follow curvature. Flight manuals even describe altitude as above mean sea level. A flat reference, not a spherical one. When you start testing things for yourself, real physics, observable physics, starts looking a lot more like flat Earth than globe Earth. So maybe it's not that flat Earth doesn't support physics. Maybe modern physics doesn't support reality. If you're ready to start questioning what you were told to just believe, follow this page.